Hello children! Today we're going to read phrases with short U sound. Are you ready children? I want you to read after me. The sun. The sun. The nipa hut. The nipa hut. The nut. The nut. A knot on a hut. A knot on a hut. The mud. The mud. The toy gun. The toy gun. Fun and run. Fun and run. A gun on the mud. A gun on the mud. The bun. The bun. Good job, children.